Is it a cultural kind of mission of sorts? Yes, I think Babel was on a cultural mission. He was also on a mission to tell the truth. And that mission ultimately cost him his life. But I think that he couldn't write the untruth. It wasn't in his DNA. His DNA was to go witness it all firsthand, because he witnessed everything he wrote about firsthand. He touched it, he smelt it, he tasted it, and then he found the words to describe the kind of perception that only he had, because his taste, sense of taste, his sense of smell, his vision, his hearing were very different than anyone else's.